Mining profitability is all about understanding whether your Bitcoin mining operation will make money. In this video, we'll break down the essential formulas and calculations you need to determine your potential returns. By the end, you'll know exactly how to calculate if mining is worth it for you. 4 main factors determine whether mining is profitable. First, electricity cost, measured in dollars per kilowatt hour, directly impacts your profit margins since mining consumes significant power. Second, hardware cost, which includes your initial investment in mining equipment and how efficient that equipment is. Third, hash rate, which is your mining power and determines how much you can potentially earn. Finally, Bitcoin price, because the market value of Bitcoin directly affects how much revenue you generate from mining. Let's start with calculating daily revenue. The formula is your hash rate divided by network difficulty, multiplied by block reward, multiplied by Bitcoin price. This calculation shows your potential earnings based on your mining power and current network conditions. Hash rate is how fast your miner can solve problems. Network difficulty adjusts based on how many miners are competing. Block reward is currently 3.125 Bitcoin per block, and Bitcoin price fluctuates with the market. Now let's calculate your operating costs. Daily electricity cost equals power consumption in kilowatts, multiplied by 24 hours, multiplied by your electricity rate in dollars per kilowatt hour. This formula reveals how much you're spending to keep your mining hardware running each day. Operating costs directly reduce your net profitability, so accurate electricity cost calculation is crucial for determining real returns. Your net daily profit is the bottom line. It's calculated simply as daily revenue minus daily electricity cost. This gives you earnings after deducting operational expenses. If this number is positive, you're making money. If it's negative, you're losing money every day you mine. This is the most important metric for understanding your mining profitability. Let's work through a real example using the Antminer S19 Pro. This miner has a hash rate of 110 terahash per second and consumes 3,250 watts of power. We'll assume an electricity cost of 10 cents per kilowatt hour and a Bitcoin price of $60,000. These are the specifications we'll use to calculate actual profitability. Let's calculate the daily electricity costs step by step. Step 1. Convert power to kilowatts. 3,250 watts divided by 1,000 equals 3.25 kilowatts. Step 2. Calculate daily energy consumption. 3.25 kilowatts multiplied by 24 hours equals 78 kilowatt hours per day. Step 3. Calculate daily electricity cost. 78 kilowatt hours multiplied by 10 cents equals $7.80 per day. This miner costs $7.80 daily just to run. Finally, let's calculate return on investment. Break-even time equals hardware cost divided by daily profit. For example, if your miner costs $5,000 and generates $15 daily profit after electricity, you'd calculate 5,000 divided by 15, which equals 333 days to break even. This tells you how long until your initial investment is recovered and you start making pure profit. Understanding break-even time helps you decide if mining makes financial sense.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.